This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by on Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my market analysis for Wednesday, January 17, 2024. We do have a news catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline enables flexible and outcome expectations. Independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, and responsible business manager. So here we've got on the left the Nasdaq. You can see we've got a black candle so far, digging into a discount wick from the prior day. And same thing here, a little more pronounced on the S&P 500, which is what I trade. And you can see here the body of the candles at really the bottom of the prior day low of the wick. And dollar, King Dollar, we had a big rally prior day, and I'm concerned with can it hold because we left behind a gap. See this gap here between prior day low and 2 days prior. It's a volume imbalance, so we need to stay above that if we can continue. And right now we've retracted a bit, so I'm going to pay attention to the dollar today and see how that level goes. But overall here we've had a pretty good displacement on equity indices in the last 24 hours. So let's go and look at the levels right now and see what the price action levels for imbalances and draws on liquidity. Next chart. Here we are. Price action levels, 15-minute E-mini March 2024 contract. So let's point out for Wednesday the 17th, New York midnight open right here, 47.8950, and 15 handles below it, more or less, 47.7575. 47.75.75 was London open, okay? And the London silver bullet was here. So we really, from the PM high previous day, and we'll call that the 1226 new week open gap low, which was 47.99.25, all the way down here to this London kill zone low. It's just been a straight decline. So what I'm anticipating here is, since we've had, a good session all the way down, is sitting on hands. I've got absolutely not a drop in the market right now because I really need to see further after we've had this displacement. So the PM low is right here, 47.79. The PM low prior day, that's what I'm talking about. And you can see how it's not letting price go above it. We need to go above it and get above January 2, which was the first day of the year RTH open. I've covered that in previous videos, 47.8350. So once we get above that, above New York midnight open, we've got the fair value gap on the 15-minute and then this new week open gap. So it looks like a lot to ask, and it's going to involve the dollar needing to go down and retrace a bit. And below here, what we've got on levels is, again, what I've already covered, this 4-hour fair value gap. And then below that, of course, we've got this weekly, and this weekly is going to be in the low 47s before we cover that. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to sell into the hole here because we've had a pretty good displacement. And again, I'm just blowing up here the price action from the intraday session. So PM afternoon close all the way down to London, Asia. So Asia, London, a continuation. It's 2 sessions of a continuations. I want to see what we do if we snap back. We are in a discount 47.85 would let us go, if price goes above it, would get us into a start of a premium. But we're just going to watch how it reacts here after the AM kill zone. I'm going to really look at the 8:30 news catalyst, see how we do from 8:30 to 10 a.m. That will be a big tell. So that's it, keeping it real simple. One chart here on all the levels, above and below, and keeping it very flexible. A lot of patience and discipline right now to wait. And then, of course, the first ingredient in the recipe on a setup is going to be the time of day. And it's absolutely not the right time of day to do anything. So that's all I got. Take care. Aloha. Shout out to OG subscribers and welcome all 2024 subscribers. Thanks for supporting the channel. Aloha. Bye.